In this video, we show how to replace E3 drive module in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover, front cover and the E3 drives. To remove the E3 drive module, start by disconnecting the cables from the backplane and keep them away. Next, loosen the captive screw and then slide and lift the module out. To install the E3 drive module, carefully place the module in its place and slide it until the captive screw aligns with the slot. Now tighten the captive screw and then reconnect the cables. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.